At Barnes, every project is more than a transaction. It's a chapter in life, a dream to be fulfilled, and a legacy to build. Our dedicated teams assist clients in accessing premium properties worldwide, spanning major global capitals and exclusive vacation destinations. Our services are designed to meet the highest expectations of clients purchasing a residence, a vineyard, or chalet in the mountains, or opting for seasonal rental, classic cars, or yachting. In addition to our real estate services, we represent a number of high-end spaces, including Maison Barnes New York and Maison Boissière Paris. These properties embody elegance and the French lifestyle, offering clients a new standard of exclusive hospitality. We celebrate the art of living in any location, offering a unique experience to our clients. From Un Moment Barnes on the French Riviera, featuring local cuisine and art, to curated events and art collection services, we offer a curated journey into culture and elegance. For nearly 3 decades, we have cultivated relationships founded upon discretion, attentiveness, and the pursuit of excellence. Welcome to the world of Barnes.